Hello, Yatris. Welcome back to Yatri Cloud. I'm Mithal Chauhan, AWS Community Builder. Right now, this video for all of you guys who are going to start your career into AWS or you are going to switch your career from non-IT or from the different domain like software development or anything into the cloud and DevOps. So now here, what I'm going to deliver to you, the certification roadmap, how many certification provided by AWS, what experience you need, and the last one, based on your role, which certification would be for you, correct? And now, as you can see in the screen, domain name. So these are some domains which certification can help out to you to get a job, correct? A very high paying job. And especially who are looking your career into AWS, Amazon itself, right? So be here, right? And at least get the information. And I swear, after getting all the information, you don't need to worry about which certification I need to do. Okay, so let's get start with our video. So lastly, I'm just clarify one important point from my last free AWS video. Here, you need to collect the point from ETC modules. The 40 point every day you will be getting 6 times in a week, and you need to complete AWS practice test and the course from the skill builder that would be eligible to you to get a voucher. Let's say you completed the 5200 points and you are going to request a voucher, but AWS will be denied your request just because you don't have that practice test and completion of the course, correct? So for that, you need to complete both things together. Clear? If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment box, right? So before going to start, I would like to say you in which domain are you going to plan your certificates? Let me know in the comment box, right? Uh, just because of you have in keeping your mind that yes, I need to achieve this, correct? So best of luck and let's get started with our video. So, firstly, here is the four types of certification of the label. The first one, the practitioner. Second, associate one, intermediate. Third one is the professional, and fourth one is the specialty. Fine. So yes, now we are going to explore one by one each and everything from scratch. So you can join us AWS Yatri. The link is given in the description. If you have any doubt and you need to connect with me. So yeah, happy to see you into the community. Right now, here you can see the practitioner. We have a two, cloud and the AI practitioner. So who is the beginner in your college days who are going to just switch your career from non-IT background into the IT? Would suggest first go with cloud practitioner and AI practitioner, right? In this certification, you will be clearing about AWS basic fundamental terms and terminology, right? Then and then you can go further on the advanced certification. Clear? So this is the first step. Second, if you have a 1 or 3 years experience in particular field of cloud and DevOps, no matter Azure, GCP or AWS, but if you have a relevant experience, you can pick up any of and you can start your career, right? I will give you more information in next few minutes. So let's go further on the professional certification, the level 3. So if you have around 3 to 5 years minimum experience, you can go with solution architect or DevOps engineer professional, right? And next one, this is a specialty. If you have a more than 10 years experience, would really great if you can go with this specialist certification. So yes, next going forward, the first, the question from all of you guys, I get it too many times. Which AWS certification should I start? Correct? Just because of you don't have at least basic information and don't aware about, the right information. So might be this question, I would like to give you the answer via different domains, roles and responsibility. So the firstly, you need to just clarify yourself what I want to become. Cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, DevSecOps engineer, AI or ML side, data engineer side, or security side, correct? Whatever. So this is the answer for you. The first one, if you want to be a architecture side, so in which you have a first option, solution architect. One of the most demanding right now and in future also, the AWS solution architect. The first one, from now onwards, the basic fundamentals, cloud or AI would be essential, right? The basic knowledge. Then go with AWS solution architect, associate, and then professional, right? If you want to go into very deep insight about AWS solution architect, go with security specialist. Fine. And if you want to know more about this, all the information from official AWS documentation updated in 2025. So this is the secondly application architecture. This is the different from the solution architect. Here you must have a developer associate knowledge. So you can see right now the developer associate certifications added. So what you can do, user interface, middleware, infrastructure, and all types of developer side work you need to be at least aware about if you want to become an application architect. Correct? Just like that, I would keep quickly go through the one by one. Here is the data analytics in which the first cloud data engineer. Here we have a data engineer associate after the solution architect certification. Correct? And here is the optional ML and security. Fine. And why it would be essential? That would be you came to know after completing the all the certification course. Correct? So please, if you have any question, just let me know in comment box. This video only for you to give the roadmap about the certification. Correct? Secondly, development side. So who are currently in the software development and want to switch into the cloud and DevOps, this is for you. So here is the developer associate one, and then go with the DevOps engineer professional. Why what's important? Just because of DevOps is the one role where you can connect your development team and your operational team. Fine. Then you can go with operation side. Here you need to just go with the system admin side role, the system ops administrator, and then DevOps engineer, right? So this is a very basic path who want to be on system administrator side. Then cloud engineer in specific what you came to know, system of administrator and the security, both combination. It would be clear combination if you can just understand it now. Cloud engineer, the system of security, DevOps and networking. Correct. So you need to be together to understand all the concept. Then DevOps, the one of the most trending nowadays, the first one. Testing side, who actually want to be on test engineer side. So developer certification and DevOps one. That is the only things. No need to worry about much. But next one, here is the cloud DevOps engineer. This is the role when you are applying it to the AWS, they have a different roles. And you are might, wondering like why I got rejection. Just because of you don't have a relevant experience or a certification. So this is official roadmap from the AWS. So please follow it at least once and take a screenshot. This is the main point. DevSecOps engineer, the system administrator, machine learning, then DevOps engineer, then the security. So one of the most complex and important roadmap for DevSecOps engineer. Then I would go with the security here, a cloud security engineer. What is sense? The admin role and the security role. Or else in depth, you can go with networking and DevOps side, right? So just take a screenshot, take much, understand the requirement, but right, I can't cover it much into this video. It's already the long. So here is the networking, network engineer, the solution architect, and advanced networking. That is the only two things which you need if you want to become network engineer. Fine. So this is a very highly professional certification. You must have 1 to 3 years experience. Correct. So keep in your mind And lastly, the most important, AI/ML. The first one, the prompt engineer, recently, announced by AWS. So this is the one roadmap, the machine learning engineer associate one, and then specialist. If you want to get into more wondering about AI and ML, so yes, just machine learning engineer associate certification would be enough into get into the machine learning side. If you want to be on ML engineer, the add-on is the only thing is the solution architect. Clear? Then machine learning ops engineer. So you will be definitely add on the DevOps engineer certification. So how you can identify? See, machine learning ops engineering. That means we have a machine learning skills plus ops DevOps side, right? So two certification must required, of course, right? So that is the only things which you can figure it out via the rule, correct? So that is the things, and this is the for the last data scientist. So the same roadmap almost, but here we have a DevOps and here we have a machine learning specialist in the data scientist. Fine. So next, just subscribe to the Yatri Cloud, and that's it. Just let me know into comment box which roadmap are you going to follow, and just give your deadline for your dreams. I want to achieve within a 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, whatever. And if you have any questions, just connect with me on LinkedIn, share your experience, and happy to connect with you all, guys. So bye bye, see you soon, and take care.